Have you ever wondered what one moment could cost you your entire future? What if the biggest mistake you ever made wasn't losing money, love, or opportunity, but losing time? Because time is the only thing you can never get back once it's gone. This story will change how you see every second of your life. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're rediving into an emotional and powerful story that reminds us why every moment matters, and why realizing the true value of time too late can be life as the most painful lesson. It all begins with a young man named Ethan, full of dreams, but trapped in the comfort of tomorrow. He always said he'd start later. Later he'd work on his goals. Later he'd call his parents. Later he'd change his life. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and before he knew it, years had quietly slipped away. On the exterior, Ethan's life looked fine. A decent job, a stable apartment, a car that ran just well enough to get him from place to place. But deep down, he knew he was coasting through life, not driving it. His exterior world appeared calm, but the storm was brewing inside. Inside, the interior of his life told a completely different story. His mind was cluttered like a room filled with old boxers' dreams he once had, now gathering dust. His heart was filled with regret, but he masked it with routine. Every morning felt the same, and every night ended with the same thought. I'll do better tomorrow. He realize that tomorrow was the most dangerous word in the English language because it quietly steals today. As time went on, Ethan's performance in life began to show cracks. At work, he was talented but unmotivated. His boss saw potential, but Ethan always fell short because he believed he had plenty of time to improve. His relationships suffered because he postponed calls, ignored texts, and missed family dinners. His parents were aging. His friends were moving on, and opportunities passed like trains he was too late to catch. He told himself there would be another train, but deep down, he knew he was always running behind schedule. The safety features in Ethan's life began to fail, not physical ones, but emotional and mental ones. The safety net of youth started to disappear. His confidence weakened, his mental peace started slipping away, and his motivation, once his greatest shield, started to fade. He realized that time doesn't forgive neglect. When you waste it, it doesn't pause for you to catch up. It just keeps moving, taking your chances with it. The people who once cared started moving on too, because life doesn't wait for anyone stuck in hesitation. Then came the moment that changed everything. One ordinary day, Ethan got a call. His father had suffered a heart attack. He rushed to the hospital, but he was too late. Standing by the hospital bed, he realized he had missed countless dinners, birthdays, and moments that could never come back. His father used to call and say, "Son, don't forget to visit this weekend." And Ethan would always reply, "Soon. Dad, I'm just busy right now." That soon never came. At that moment, he finally understood the real value of time not as numbers on a clock, but as moments of love, laughter, and connection that make life meaningful. From that day, his perception shifted completely. He started to see time as life's most expensive currency. Every second became sacred. He woke up earlier, spoke more kindly, worked harder, and forgave faster. He stopped saying later and started saying now. The performance of his life transformed. He became focused, intentional, and grateful. He realized that success, isn't measured by wealth or fame, but by how wisely you spend your time. He began to live fully, knowing that every tick of the clock was an opportunity he'd never get back. What made Ethan's transformation so unique was that he didn't suddenly become someone else. He just decided to stop postponing life. The unique selling point of his story is simple, but powerful. You can change your entire life, not by adding anything new, but by valuing what's already around you. Time. It's not about speed. It's about presence. When you give your time meaning, everything else, success, happiness, peace follows naturally. He started noticing sunsets he used to ignore, appreciating small talks he used to rush through, and giving his full attention to people he once brushed off. His life didn't suddenly become perfect, but it became real, alive, and deeply fulfilling. If we were to put a price on time, what would it be? Think about it. Money lost can be earned again. Health can sometimes be recovered. Even love can return. But time, once it's gone forever. It's the only thing that's priceless because it's limited. You never know how much of it you truly have left. For Ether, that realization hit like a lightning bolt. The price he paid was losing moments with someone he loved deeply. But the reward was awakening, a rebirth of purpose. He couldn't change the past, but he could honor it by never wasting another moment again. As he rebuilt his life, he shared his story with others. He wanted people to understand that time is not just something you schedule, it's something you live. When you waste it, you lose pieces of yourself. When you value it, you grow into the person you were always meant to be. His story became a reminder to everyone that the clock is not your enemy. It's your greatest teacher. Every tick is a whisper saying, don't wait, do it now. So what can we take away from Ethan's story? The conclusion is both simple and profound. Life is happening right now. Not tomorrow, not someday, but this very second. Every heartbeat, every breath is a gift that won't come again. Stop delaying your dreams. Call the people you love. Start that project. Learn that skill. Say what you've been meaning to say. Because one day, you will look back and realize that the moments you were too busy to enjoy were the moments that made life worth living. Ethan's journey teaches us that the value of time, isn't in how much of it we have, but in how we use it. The true tragedy is not that time passes, but that we let it pass without living fully. Don't wait until it's too late to realize what he did. The clock is ticking not as a warning, but as an invitation to live, love, and become who you're meant to be. So if this story touched your heart, remember, the most powerful change you can make starts with one decision to stop wasting time and start living. Because at the end of your life, you won't regret the things you failed to buy or the success you didn't achieve. You'll regret the time you didn't spend where it truly mattered. Cherish today, respect every second, and live like you finally understand the true value of time. Thank you so much for watching. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe for more content that inspires you to live your best life. See you in the next one.